Hello YouTube. This is my working truck for the graveyard when we chisel or sandblast ladders into stone. So this is a little sandblasting machine and the compressor, and there is the generator for this machine where it has a suction section I don't know, for resucking the sandblast filler back into the vessel, pressurize it again and blow it out. And I have all this mess always with me. There's even a little tent for gilding with gold leaf, and if the wind blows a little, gold leaf is gonna get carried away instead of into the ladders. So there's a tent, there's a shovel, there's all the pressure hoses, there's a normal cable, and there's all small utility tools. And this is my toolbox where I have colors, different colors, those kind of colors. This is Schriftfarbe. That means it's especially for letters in stone. This is masonry grade, stonemason grade coloring. This is the gold leaf. It's, I don't know, 23 3/4 carat gold, fine leaf gold. This also, and all these tools are poorly organized. So I was looking for a better option than this little thing, and I came across the Milwaukee tool chest. Same, like I'm a DeWalt guy, and I have like a drawer system for stuff, and I kind of wanted that system again, but I found a Milwaukee system which was bigger and 3 drawers. So that's what we unpacked today. Sorry about that lengthy explanation, but I think that's necessary. So yeah, I'll put you here. So maybe you can see right there. It's a box in a box, and I wondered if it would be that big, but it ain't. So this is kind of a little disappointment, cannot lie. But it's still bigger than the other drawer I showed you. The other DeWalt drawer. So again, I'm not sponsored in any way. I pay all for the stuff, all my money, and doesn't get any introduction or nothing. This is all my honest opinion. I use a Milwaukee grease gun for greasing heavy machinery, and it's about 5 or 6 years old. But mainly I use DeWalt because all my batteries are DeWalt. So, but I kind of figured this would be a nice addition, and definitely looks nice. Big sturdy handle, even lockable. So this is how it opens. Okay, sectionings. Okay, and I can feel that there are bearings. Maybe I can put out See the system? Not bad at all. So I reorganize all my loose stuff because it always gets stuff on top and you can't get down to the bottom, and you know how it is working and in a hurry. And even I have like this, will it fit in? Oh no, barely. No. So this is also important. This is thinner, or paint thinner, or for cleaning brushes and stuff. It's always ready for cleaning. Pretty neat, actually. See? Put the brush, the dirty brush in. Comes out clean. And it's always ready. You don't have to pour out from the container. So that's pretty cool, actually. I have two of them. One in my other shop in Kennet, and really, really handy. So that's it so far. It's a Milwaukee Packout system. I think it's famous, but I never used it. Looks sturdy, looks big, kind of what I need here. And maybe I do all my I don't know, lettering hammers, Schrifthammer, like this small pressurized air gun for chisel and all those things. Maybe I put them in. So that's it for today. Little unboxing. The Milwaukee Packout 3 drawer. This is the bottom. Pretty elevated. I don't know why this is, or what's this supposed to do, those aluminium struts. And this is for clicking in other small items or other boxes, I guess. So that's it so far. Thank you for watching, and subscribe and like and all the good stuff, and hope to see you soon. Habe die Ehre. Close.